Class 9. Subject Science Biology. Chapter 6. Tissues. Topics to be learned in this video. Definition of tissue and plant tissue, meristematic tissue. The tissue. In unicellular organisms, a single cell performs all basic functions. For example, amoeba, a single cell carries out movement, food intake, gas exchange and excretion. In multicellular organisms, cells are specialized to carry out specific functions, division of labor. A group of cells that are similar in structure and work together for a particular function is called a tissue. Blood, phloem and muscle are all examples of tissues. Are plants and animals made of same types of tissues? There are noticeable differences between the plants and animals. Plants are stationary or fixed, they don't move. Since they have to be upright, they have a large quantity of supportive tissue. The supportive tissue generally has dead cells. Animals on the other hand move around in search of food, mates and shelter. They consume more energy as compared to plants. Most of the tissues they contain are living. Pattern of growth in plants and animals. Plant growth is limited to certain regions. Cell growth in animals is more uniform. So, there is no dividing and non-dividing regions in animals. In complex animals, organs and organ systems are more specialized and localized than in plants. This shows their different lifestyles and feeding methods. These differences are due to sedentary nature of plants and active locomotion of animals. It leads to variations in organ system design. Plant tissues. Based on the dividing capacity, plant tissues are two types: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue. It is the tissue responsible for growth and cell division. The growth of plants occurs only in certain specific regions, such as the tips of roots and shoots. This is because the dividing tissue, also known as meristematic tissue, is located only at these points. Based on the location, meristematic tissues are three types. Apical meristem. Apical meristem is present at the growing tips of stems and roots and increases the length of the stem and the root. Lateral meristem, cambium. It increases the girth of the stem or root. Intercalary meristem. Seen near the node. Meristematic cells are very active. They have dense cytoplasm, thin cellulose walls and prominent nuclei. They lack vacuoles because they are rapidly dividing and no storage food is required. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.